Welcome back to Straight Yard Cooking. Today we'll be doing some curry crab with our crew, Tipsy Boss and Jigsy. Keep watching.
So welcome back. So we are gonna dismember the crab them. Take the foot off. Take the foot off. If you don't hold them good, they will bite you. So we're gonna, after a while, after we dismember them, we're gonna use the washing brush and just brush them off and get them ready. Right? Cut them up and get them ready. Right? So this is how we do it. Then after we're gonna use the washing brush and just scrub them off and get them clean. Right? This is how we do it. So we are going to scrub the crab them, get them clean because you know they're dirty. So this is the next step. We are going to cut up the crab, clean out the crab and take the crab apart to curry the crab, right? Remember guys, subscribe and like Straight Yard TV, right? So we are doing the crab now and we have the t-shirt ready, guys. Look at it, Straight Yard, right? So we are going to cut up the crab, deal with the crab. This is the Jamaican way to deal with it. So we open it, right? Open it, take the crab apart, clean off.
Not this.
So we clean off all the edges, get the crab clean, and then we're gonna cut it. Show you when it's done. We're gonna season it and prepare it. Straight Yard TV. Out. Just remember guys, subscribe and like. Right? Straight Yard TV. We are doing a Straight Yard cookout. Right now we are cooking curry crab. Clean them up. And later on, we'll show you how the curry crab deal with. Nice. Right now. Alright, so we're going to season the crab now. She's have the white onion. She's cutting it up. So it's a good flavor. So white onion. Then we have a purple onion. Remember guys, check out Straight Yard t-shirt. It's available. Just click on the link. Check out Straight Yard TV and you see everything. This is Straight Yard cooking as well. So next up we have sweet pepper. So that is Jigsy, the boss for the crab. You understand? See her in a Straight Yard t-shirt too, you know. Yep. Next up we have the Scallions. Yeah man, so you know how we have to deal with the crab. We have to put in the scallion and thing in the crab. And we have the pepper, nice and everything. We have the garlics. We have the pimento leaf. And we have the Jamaican all-purpose right there. And we have our curry. We use the spice curry. So we have everything for the pot. So next up we have our thyme. Yeah man, cool. That was spicy up the pot, you know man. Real Jamaican style. Real. So next up we have our pimento leaf. Yeah, if you don't have any pimento leaf, you can use the pimento itself. But remember, the pimento have to dry. Cool? Come on. Then we have our Jamaican all-purpose right there. Good. Our real Scotch bonnet pepper. This is the real one, the purple one. This is the real Jamaican one, guys. Real Jamaican one. Real Jamaican one. Trust me. Come on, so she put the all-purpose pan right now. Put the pepper pan it too. Scallion and everything. This a go mad, you know. Straight here TV. Real man. Like you can't eat already, don't. She'll be in all of the seasoning night. So she's gonna leave some for later. Because when the crab is cooking, almost done, she'll put back some on it. For real. Cool. Yeah man, we are light up the fire right now. See there's some kerosene oil. Yeah man. Ready. Try again cause fire ready, you know man. Yeah man. Fire ready right now. Yeah. Guys, remember straight yard t-shirt. Crab well done. Curry crab well done. Well done. My word, man. Oh God. Man. Tastes nice. Whoops. Straight yard cooking. Man. This lady do a good job. Straight yard. Just remember, man, we have straight yard TV, straight yard tour. Check out the shirt them. Alright? And see the look on the curry crab boy bad. Man! Oh my God.
Yeah, what I want y'all to do is head over to Instagram. I'm gonna publish 3 pages: straight yard, you know what I'm saying? Straight yard underscore cooking and straight yard tours, you know what I'm saying, guys? Don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend, tell another friend, tell another friend. You know what I'm saying? Just come over here to straight yard thing and subscribe.